our very first Unified event being held here at Graham Park Middle School. We have 3 middle schools participating today. We have Fred Lynn, Graham Park, and Lake Ridge. We have 2 competition fields that the kids are playing on. It's 2 teams each working together to score as much as they can, and they have a 2-minute period to do it. This program is very special because Prince William County does a great job with unified sports, so Unified Robotics fits in perfectly, allowing our students access and an opportunity to participate in our larger robotics program.
I like working with my teammates on just problem solving and figuring out how to code and do all these new and fun things that we get to do in Unified Robotics.
Robotics is a nice coding, and it also helps when you want your future plans, like what if I want to code gaming or do my own robotics class. It's all of that makes it really important, and also helping those around you.
It builds great teamwork. It teaches them skills outside of the classroom, and it's something that they look forward to.